The author of the popular book Rich Dad Poor Dad has spilled some pretty heavy words on digital currency. What is Robert Kiyosaki's biggest Bitcoin prediction? Let's find out. Robert Kiyosaki is positive about Bitcoin. Kiyosaki holds a positive view on the future course of Bitcoin's price. He expressed his confidence, stating that he's actively betting on its upward movement in the chart. Kiyosaki revealed that he got 60 Bitcoins at the cost of $6,000 per coin. Kiyosaki tweeted, "Bitcoin up over 100% in a year. Will Bitcoin keep going up? I'm betting on it." As he tweeted, Bitcoin was being traded at $30,264.50, marking an 82% increase since the beginning of the year. Nonetheless, the biggest cryptocurrency has experienced a 26% decline compared to the previous year, while still showing a substantial 224% growth over the past 5 years. So how true are his predictions? You'll find out in this video. But before we move any further, do be sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the notification bell to get more video updates like this. Now let's continue. The author further said, "Why buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin? Because Fed, Treasury, and Biden are liars." This sentiment is not new for him, as he previously expressed skepticism towards the Federal Reserve, the Treasury, and the Biden administration. He also gave a warning that the US economy is headed towards a significant downturn. Kiyosaki's advice for the investors. In a recent Twitter post, Kiyosaki urged investors to delve into the reasons behind buy or sell recommendations. He highlighted a conflicting situation where Steve Von Meter advised selling gold, while David Hunter advocated for buying gold. Acknowledging the intelligence of both individuals, the acclaimed author emphasized the importance of understanding the rationale of both sellers and buyers in any market. He tweeted, "Steve Van Meter says sell gold now. David Hunter says buy gold now. Who do you believe?" He noted, "All markets are made of buyers and sellers. Your job is to find out the logic behind the seller and buyer. Opposing logic makes you smarter, which is more valuable than dollar." During a recent episode of his Rich Dad radio show airing last week, Kiyosaki revealed that he purchased 60 Bitcoins at the price of $6,000 per coin. Providing further details, he shared his approach and he said, "I owned Bitcoin. I waited for it to get to $20,000. It went down to $1,000, $3,000, and I watched it and watched it. I wanted to make sure it was going to hang around, so I picked up 60 Bitcoins at $6,000. Kiyosaki, an advocate for Bitcoin. Kiyosaki has been advocating for Bitcoin, gold, and silver as part of his long-standing recommendations. As early as February, he made a prediction that the price of Bitcoin would soar to $500,000 by 2025. Additionally, he predicted a significant surge in the value of gold to $5,000 and silver to $500. Kiyosaki refers to Bitcoin as people's money, highlighting its decentralized nature. In December of last year, he expressed his belief that people who possess gold, silver, and Bitcoin would experience increased wealth as a result of the Federal Reserve's decision to print trillions of dollars, which he labels as fake money. In addition to Robert Kiyosaki, numerous other people share the belief that the price of the leading cryptocurrency will experience a significant surge. Balaji Srinivasan, a venture capitalist, made a bet in March predicting that Bitcoin would surpass the $1 million mark within 90 days. Panther Capital, a prominent investment firm, recently stated that we're currently in the next bull market cycle for Bitcoin, further indicating a positive outlook for its future price performance. Is Bitcoin an alternative for the collapsing economy? Kiyosaki has continuously cautioned against an upcoming collapse of the dollar, calling it as a false form of currency. As the influential author, whose book has achieved global success with translations into over 51 languages and sales exceeding 32 million copies, his warning has echoed powerfully amidst economic uncertainties and sparked much debate. In a Twitter post, Robert Kiyosaki conveyed a stark and alarming message: "Giant crash ahead." This dark prediction appears to align with a developing pattern. The looming danger of inflation is intensifying as trillions of US dollars are on the verge of coming home. Amidst this bleak situation, Kiyosaki has seen a ray of hope in the form of gold, silver, and particularly Bitcoin. In his view, Bitcoin, which he regards as the people's money, appears to emerge as a secure place during the upcoming unstable times. Despite the circumstances, Kiyosaki sees these assets as potential sources of stability and security. This advice by the author came right after the elimination of the debt ceiling, which triggered a significant rush in the stock market. Still, Kiyosaki argues that this development has led to the deterioration of the financial condition of the United States, with only the wealthy getting all the benefits and the rest of the population experiencing extreme struggles. Nonetheless, in this atmosphere of economic uncertainty, Kiyosaki's predictions shed light on several factors that could be worrisome. Specifically, they highlight the importance of reflecting on the role of fiat currency in our societal framework. The rise of cryptocurrencies has the potential to start a significant financial revolution which will gradually diminish the dominance of the dollar. If you think this way, then you get to observe the changing financial landscape and its potential implications for the future. This brings us to the end of this video. So, what do you guys think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, and until next time, take care and bye for now.